Welcome to the Oxford International School.
Assalam-o-Alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am your teacher. My name is Nida. First of all, start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is, can you read alone? For nursery class students. So let's start. Topic 6. Can you read alone? First of all, introduction. Let us learn to read double letter sounds. Buzz, hiss, cuff, whiz, fluff puffs to the top, Nell sells doll, fluff, huff puff, where is Fluff? Is Fluff under the tree? No, a hen is under the tree. Is Fluff on the mat? No, a rat is on the mat. Is Fluff up the ladder? No, Dad is up the ladder. Is Fluff in the pond? No, a frog is in the pond. Is Fluff in the box? Yes, Fluff is in the box. Huff puff. Fluff has eaten all the buns. Activity 1. Place each character of the story in its right place. Very good. Excellent. Activity 2. Drag and drop the correct ending sound and complete the words. Whiz, hiss, buzz, puff, Activity 3. Click the correct word to complete each sentence. The bees buzz in the garden. Tom has red ball. Very good. This shirt has a blue cuff. Nice word. Sana has a doll. The cat ran up the hill. Congratulations, you have completed your topic 6. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Allah Hafiz.